Meet the 2026 Ford Maverick Tremor all-wheel drive, a powerhouse of versatility and style. This truck is ready for anything with its 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine and striking carbonized gray metallic exterior. Inside, you will find a massive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, a premium B&O audio system, and a heated steering wheel for those chilly mornings. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Think a compact truck can't handle the rugged beauty of the Fraser Valley? Think again. Whether you are heading out to Sumas Mountain or cruising through downtown Mission, the 2026 Maverick Tremor is built to impress. With its 121-inch wheelbase and all-wheel drive capability, it provides the perfect balance of agility and strength for every British Columbia adventure. This Maverick is loaded with features designed for our local lifestyle. You get an acoustic laminate windshield for a quiet ride on the highway, plus auto high beams and LED headlamps to light up the dark roads toward the valley. The exterior is highly functional, with enclosed bed storage, pickup box LED lighting, and a power tailgate lock. For those sunny days, open up the power moonroof and the power sliding rear window to let the fresh air in. Inside, you will enjoy the comfort of heated front seats, ambient lighting, and an 8-inch productivity screen. One question we often hear is, how does the Maverick Tremor handle off-road conditions while keeping the driver in control? Based on the equipment listed, this vehicle is specifically prepared with skid plates, trail control, and selectable drive modes. For added confidence during daily driving, it also includes a 360-degree camera, front and rear park sensors, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. Whether you are navigating a tight parking spot at Mill Lake or a gravel path, the intelligent access with push start and adaptive cruise control make every journey seamless. This truck also features a transmission oil cooler, electric power assist steering, and an electric parking brake to ensure performance remains top-notch. You'll also appreciate the convenience of the security code keyless entry keypad, dual-zone electronic air conditioning, and dual rear USB ports for your passengers. Safety is a priority with the safety canopy airbags, perimeter alarm, and the tire pressure monitor system. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.